You too. What's good, gang? What's going on? That mafia when I deal with. Yes, man, you don't know what time it is. Done back in the lab, don't it? Yes, man, I see what we are dealing with today, gang. You already know what time it is, man. We're back in the lab today. We're there with none other than Mr. Scamming over music himself, Mr. Bob himself. Been a minute since we reacted, but we're there with Skippa. That one I name phone screen. You see me? You gotta check it out and see what dog I deal with. Don't know. Hit the like and subscribe button back. We're fully active on back, gang. You already know what time it is. Let's get it.
And I tell a lie in the blood clot. That fuck Skipper, but too bad. That take Skipper line. Skipper give me a blood clot.
Rvssian.
Yo, Rosalie sick to mock, you know, dog. Jesus Christ.
Y'all, look how you pretty on my phone screen. All clean, healthy, I eat up your protein. Y'all, your pussy type me have to force me. I have to come back because you tell me like a dope fiend. Yeah, because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make up.
Girl, hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. Just tell me if me wrong.
My protein. Y'all, your pussy type me have to force me. I have to come back.
I feel forcing of that bumbo clad.
Because you tell me like a dope fiend. Yeah, because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got.
Shit, girl, from your was never flock. You put it on a boy and my fake you. Everything you got. Me want you to sing. What you?
So make a snap with a pretty friend. Them girls call my cell phone, make it ring like hell. Kill on your hole, you know wanna bend 10. Be mine a sport, you know push a yang yang.
Kill on your hole, you know wanna bend 10, mama. Yes, man.
Kill on your hole, you know wanna bend 10.
No cartoon.
Sport, you know push a yang yang. So come and make you kick it off and take off all your clothes. Me know you just attack, you want my money and me know. That's why me fuck your hard, use my finger like a rose. Kick your
That's why money and I know that's why I fuck your hard. Mama, get your money is worth. Well, the Bible zero there, but get the fuck out.
know you just attack, you want my money and me know. That's why me fuck your hard, use my finger like a rose. Kick you like a boss, and me like a damn. Me know. Good on, don't stop.
Cocky kick you like a boss, slam you like a damn. Cause we not play with you, no girl. You see me?
Take off all your clothes. Me know you just attack, you want my money and me know. That's why me fuck your hard, use my finger like a rose. Kick you like a boss, and me like a damn. Me know.
A rose.
Good on, don't stop.
Ah!
Suck it cocky with your eye there, good on, don't stop. Now make balls feel brand new. You're pretty on my phone screen, all clean, healthy, I eat up your protein. Girl, your pussy type me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dope fiend.
The forcing of that blood clad girl. Huh? Yeah, me like a dope fiend girl. Huh? I got to come back. Jeez and peace. Yeah, what you?
Protein, girl, your pussy type me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dope fiend. Because you hot and that. No fuck a bag of man. This might just be a song, but baby tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. So watch your mouth when I talk up to me bag of girl and I'ma show them a pass.
Watch your blood clam out. Respect is hey.
You ain't got. So watch your mouth when I talk up to me bag of girl and I'ma show them a pass out for me. Bad bitch I foot, you got the passport pussy. Flight off a book before you call.
Bad bitch have it passport pussy. Cheese and peace, girl. Oh, I got a book of flight for that thing. All me over the world, all overseas with that girl. Me have to book a flight for your mama. The passport pump. Go on, Joe.
So watch your mouth when I talk up to me bag of girl and I'ma show them a pass out for me. Bad bitch I foot, you got the passport pussy. Flight off a book before you call her telly. And she no go for just.
My girl never get a flight book, you know. Cause you know work it, you know. Who no never get fly out. Who no only get buy out. Ah, got you.
Any on a regular man, you have to have drugs, money, or you try to go scam. Or you try win a lot, or you go rob a bank. She will tell her she will got her, but she got her jam. Good on, don't stop. Suck it cocky with your eye there, good on.
With the eye like girl. No, Sam. No, don't look here. Look upon me. Why you steering on my soul? Why you steering on my soul, on my blood clot future, in my past, and everything. Look upon me, girl. Steer upon it. And you have to be cocky, girl. Yes, man. What that, mama? I don't know about him. I know about lock your eye. Don't lock your eye. Look upon you. I want you to see where I would. Look, why you see how I fuck you? Why you see how food, yeah. So, girl, steer. Looking at me eyes, girl, while you are choke and tears around from your blood clot. Wait, calm down. Calm down, Jonah. Calm down. Easy, got you.
Good on, don't stop. Now my boss, yeah, brand new. You're pretty on my phone screen. All clean, healthy, I eat up your protein. Girl, your pussy type, me have to force it. Me have to come back because you tell me like a dope fiend. Because you hot and that. Now fuck a bag of one. This might just be a song, but baby, tell me if me wrong. Just make a wine and then I stop. Your pussy never flop. You put it on a boy, my figure you ain't got. You ain't got.
Don't stop. Don't knock your eye, not me. Me's a boy. Hey, me no easy, no. Hey, me girl tell her me's not a easy youth. Yes, man, me might seem simple. I'm running joke and everything, but in come a fuck time. A serious time, mama. Best believe. Yes, man. Alright, yo. But I want to skip a Rvssian phone screen, gang. Man, I don't know one thing about one day. Drop a comment in the comment section, bro. You know, so we now hold up no vibe. Let's drop a video of them phone, you know. The big bang of them, you know. Yes, man. Yo, drop a comment. We active out here.